changes is this. This right here is a S-cam bracket. It holds the slack adjuster on the bottom, and it holds your brake chamber that I just took off up here. So pretty much where the brake chamber is, if I get going. So this is your brake chamber here, all right? So that goes back on here. So what I have to do is change this, because this piece is bent, it's leaning that way. So we gotta take this off. So what I have to do now is bust this off, so. S-cam bush bracket. We're gonna start the S-cam bracket. We'll do that right now. All right. So I'm probably grease up this before I get everything done, but we're gonna definitely start the bracket. So appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel. So we can all get back together. So let me get my bush in there. Install everything. So pretty much everything is in time lapse. I know y'all want to sit there and watch all of it. You know. So we're gonna go ahead and put this copper stuff on here, put it in a hole so nothing gets stuck and locked in there. Really debating on should I go with the old bolts or go with new bolts. The old bolts they pretty much set in there with a groove on it. So go ahead and put all this back together. So go ahead and stick the S cam in. This goes in here. So you won't put too much room on it because I had to clean everything up and make sure it was okay. So what else I need to do? Alright, let's get everything going. You know what? Alright, pretty much it. Just gotta get this little piece off here, because I know it ain't gonna be tight enough for me to get that. So this gotta come off. Alright. This should be thick enough to go on without it moving. There you go. She on. Go ahead, put the brake chamber on. The slack adjuster's on. Put the brake chamber on. And we should be locked in. Alright. So finagle this. Get a pin up in here. And one over there. There you go. Put this pin in. So Monday the wheel got to come back off because I got a wheel seal leak. So that got to come off Monday. And you know what? That's why I said things happen for a reason. So that comes off Monday. So we got that on. Bring this one back just a little bit. Then I got to put that with the other pin on. Here you go. And it's pretty much oh, you know what? Before I do all that, I get that screw on, the nut on that one. Yeah, we gotta take this, we gotta lean this. Get in there, tap that with a hammer. With a hammer. All right. There you go. Show y'all what I'm doing. Get a good idea what I'm doing over here. All right, so this right here, what I was beating in there, got a clip right there, so that start coming out. You gotta bend these here. One is already done, so I'm gonna flip this so she don't come out, so she don't move. Put everything back in here, nuts and bolts, tighten everything down. That's pretty much that's it. Give you a pretty good look at what I'm talking about. All right, so you gotta make sure you get everything in there. All right, so let me get what I need. All right, so right here you're gonna need a 16, 15, 16 socket or wrench. There you go. So I'm gonna get the bottom one in first. I get that one later. I'm not gonna have much room to get it, so if I don't get it now, it's gonna be blocking it. There you go. There you go. Make sure I tighten this up right here. All right, so we got that. Let's get the top one. Tighten everything down with the gun. All right, get that gun and everything together so you can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna put this right here. All right, so we're gonna stick this. All right, focus. There you go. Let's get that gun on that. That. Tighten the other one up. Can't get no wrench down here, so it's pretty much. Content, and we're gonna just go ahead and put this on time lapse. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all video. like, share, subscribe to the channel.